Hey everyone, so today is the first day. Got the topper all loaded up and hopefully comfortable enough for us. I kidnapped Cobalt for the day, and of course you see Navarre there. Got past Garnet Lake. It's a 6,000-year-old fur trading trail used by the Hudson Bay Company. Trail. I always like to push and hold. There. Right, we're stopped at our about kilometer 8 on the Fur Brigade Trail. Boys are excited. Yeah, there's the cattle gate, some nice mountains. Yeah, this is awesome. I love the wildlife stuff. There if you want. Yeah, Okanagan Fur Brigade Trail. 6,000-year-old. It's pretty cool. Really cool that you know, I'm driving a 6,000-year-old trail. It's really cool just being surrounded by history. Just look at that view, other than the power lines. But yeah, kilometer 4.5 Fur Brigade. This is the spot that I got to with the Jetta. Well, actually, down here, up there where we're going to be going. And then just right here is where I turned around. I was gonna try to go down and reconnect with the highway, but it gets very narrow and rough there, so that wasn't gonna happen. got relatively set up here. Keep in mind, you know, this is literally my first Overland. I am very new to this, but very excited to be out here. Got my little camp station set up there, or cook station. Got some water. That's BPA free, all that good stuff. Dog's got some water, a little chill pad. Yeah, the bed's not set up yet because I was just trying to get everything else done, but nice and cozy in there with all three of us. Just amazing view, I just can't get over it. All right, well, this is at the end of the road for the stretch that I was on anyways. So there's a nice flat spot here you could park if you wanted. Almost see the truck through the tree there. Some rain off yonder. Just beautiful. It's incredible up here. I feel so lucky to be able to be here right now. These two boys. Alright, cooking up some pork schnitzel for the boys. He's a hungry boy, aren't you? And then I got some potatoes boiling there, got my steak there. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.